In this video, we are going to see how we can take the backup and restore the backup using phpMyAdmin. So, to take the backup and restore the backup, you have to click on database backup and restore. Actually, this option will not be available when you install the Koha through command prompt or through a script. You can install the phpMyAdmin and you can configure the Apache accordingly, which will allow you to connect to the phpMyAdmin. You can enter the server name localhost and /phpMyAdmin, so you will directly go to the you will take get this page where you can enter the MySQL username and the password, MySQL database username and password, and click on go. So it will connect to your database, and this left side it will display all the information about the database. So here we have to take the backup for the particular database. So to take the backup of any database in the phpMyAdmin through phpMyAdmin in MySQL, you have to click on export option, and here you have to display all possible option by selecting the custom display all possible option. So it will display all the database information which you can select one by one. If you want to take the backup for all, you can select all. Generally it is not advisable. You select the particular database for which you are going to take the backup. So I have selected the Koha library, and here I have configured, I have made some changes in the phpMyAdmin saving location. So it will automatically save the output to the etc folder. In etc folder there is a folder phpMyAdmin, and I have created one folder upload. So the backup will be saved in this folder automatically, and if any database you have taken backup earlier is lying over there, so it will overwrite automatically. So you will need not to delete the existing database file manually. It will automatically overwrite existing file. And finally you just come down and click on go. So depending on the speed of your system, it will take the backup of your database, and you will get the message dump has been saved to file etc phpMyAdmin upload with the name localhost.sql. So this is the procedure how you can take the backup of the database. Now I'm just going to show you how you can restore the backup when you have once you have taken, suppose anything goes wrong with your database and you have taken the backup already. So how you can restore the backup in your database? So to do that, first you have to connect to the phpMyAdmin and come to the database, and the database for which you are going to restore, you need to destroy this completely from the database. So you can select it and you can delete it by clicking on drop. So it will ask you the confirmation, you are about to destroy a complete database, do you really want to do it? So in this way you can confirm by clicking on S button. So it will destroy your database completely from the database, and you will your database will be no more in the list of the database. You can observe here the database which we selected and dropped here, it is not displayed. It means the database is removed from the database. Now to restore the database, you have to go to the import option here, and when you go to the import option, you will observe I have modified little bit in the phpMyAdmin. There is an option which you can use to browse your computer to get the particular file, but the size of this particular file is limited to 2048 KB. It means 2 MB. And below that there is another option, that is select from the web server upload directory etc phpMyAdmin upload. If you remember, while taking the backup we saved the file in this folder, and if you go here and you see, you will find the the file which you have taken backup and select that particular file and just click on go. So it will connect to your data, means it will restore the file, the backup file in your database, MySQL database, and you will get all the information which you have already done in the database successfully. It may take some time depending on the speed of your system, because restoring database may take some time. Finally, you can see here, you get the message, import has been successfully finished, 516 queries executed. It means we have successfully restored the database, and now you go to click database, you will find the Koha library database again in your database list. So we have, means we can take the backup and we can restore the backup using phpMyAdmin successfully. So this was all about the how to take the backup and restore the backup using phpMyAdmin in Koha.